Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wednesday, December 10th. So it is day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas collab with Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher. Woo! I'm so excited. Day 10 already. Wow. Um, I made a mistake yesterday. Shannon caught it when she watched my video. There was something else in the package and I missed it. So it ended up being stuck to the wrapping paper, and I did not see it when I took the let's see, what was it we got that I got yesterday? Was the yarn, the jeans yarn. It got stuck to the wrapping paper, and when I took the wrapping paper off, I didn't see it. But she sent me stitch markers. And I want to show you these. These are Alice in Wonderland themed stitch markers, and they are so stinking cute. So this was from yesterday, and I'm glad Shannon caught it when she did, because I hadn't taken out the garbage. I hadn't emptied out the trash. So, oh, let me get these in order so you can see them. So we've got the spade, the diamond, the heart, and the club from the cards. Then this one is oh, let me turn it around. It's backwards. Well, no, it's not. Ah, hold on. I can't get it to turn. This one, I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see it. All right, this one right here is the little cup for the tea party. So there's the little teacup. And then we have the Cheshire Cat and the Mad Hatter's hat. Let's see if y'all can see that. There we go. There's the hat. Are those not the cutest? So cute. So sorry about that, Shannon, but I'm glad you caught it and called me on it. So that was from yesterday. So let's look at day 10. We're going to flip over our clue for day 10. And it says, He is with you always and forever. He is with you always and forever. Not going to cry. Not going to cry. I don't even know what to guess. He is with you. This is really hard. It's a cylinder and it's very hard. He is with you always and forever. That, to me, that symbolizes the Lord, because he is with me always and forever. He's with you always and forever. So let's see. I'm not sure what this is, so let's just dig in and find out. Oh, I can't get it to open. What is this? This is what it looks like so far. What is this? Oh, that's so precious. Hold on, let me get it out of its little Ziploc thing. My fingers do not want to work this morning. Sorry, guys. All right, let me pull it out of here. Oh, this is so cute. It says on the little thing on the side, a pen and case gift set from Christian Art Gifts. I've never heard of Christian Art Gifts. That's neat. The Lord bless you and keep you. Oh, that's awesome. Number 624. Let me open it up. Oh, neat. Look. Oh, how pretty. Oh, and it's got the same verse on the ink pen. And it's pink, y'all. It's pink. But look at this. Look at the inside of this. Do you see it's got a foam piece in there? So when you put the pin, I love this. You put the pin in and it really secures it. And you don't have it in your, if I carry this in my purse or my bag, this is not jingling around and going clank, 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 clank with the pin clicking around in it. It keeps it very secure in there and I'm not going to lose it. I love it, Shannon. Where in the world? I'm going to have to look this company up. Christian Art Gifts. I have never heard of them. How pretty is that pen? That is gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Shannon. I love getting all these little small gifts from you. This has been awesome. So let's tip up day 10 and let's see what it says underneath day 10. It says, He is always with us, but sometimes we need a reminder. God loves you and I do too. Shannon, you got me. Oh, she told me, she said, these gifts shouldn't make you cry. Really? I get very emotional when I talk about my faith because it's a very strong faith. And when somebody gifts me something and it has a Bible verse on it, it means the world to me. And Shannon, I love this gift. This is the most precious gift I've ever gotten. And I love it. Thank you. Woo, I didn't know I was going to have an emotional day today. So, tomorrow will be day 11. We're approaching the end of our 12 days of Christmas, and I hate to see it end. This has been so awesome. But make sure, sorry, make sure you head over to Shannon's channel and check out what I got her today. And today is excuse me, today is week 2 for the second Wednesday for Battle of the Stitches. I have an appointment. I'm recording this morning, and I have an appointment to go to right after I get finished uploading this video. So my Battle of the Stitches sneak peek will be later today. It might even be, I may not get it posted till close to lunchtime. So be looking for that video for Battle of the Stitches for my sneak peek. And also watch Heather at Strings and Threads. Watch her sneak peek. And also Jana Kay. She is going to be showing hers. And let me see here. I'm going to look at something real quick. Oh, where is it? Just a second, guys. I should have already had this looked up. I've got my shout out for today. Well, let me do it this way. Let's go here. Let's do this. Because I know I can find it on here quicker. Well, I said I could find it on here quicker. Well, okay, here it is. Go watch Heather at Strings and Threads to see her sneak peek today, and then Jana Kay from Leave It to Stitches. I've got to write that down. She changed the name of her channel, and I want to say Flourish, Faith, and Fiber all the time, and that's not it anymore. It's called Leave It to Stitches, Jana Kay. So make sure you go and watch them. I will have their channels linked in my Battle of the Stitches video today, so you can go check out their videos. Today's shout out, I want to shout out a channel that I've just recently started watching. She has over 3,000 subscribers. She's so cute and so fun. Um, she's a young girl and she is so fun and cute. And her name is Auna. Go to her channel. You will love it. She loves to crochet. She loves to do to go thrift shopping. Um, and she is doing an advent, right? She's doing like a 12 days of Christmas thing on her channel right now. And she's opening up each day of the Woobles advent calendar and working on Woobles, and she's just her show or her show her channel is just lots of fun, and it'll get you, if you're in a crochet slump, go watch her channel and it'll lift your spirits. I'm telling you, she's really good. So I wanted to shout her out, and I'll have her linked in the description box below. So my recipe for today, this is not a Christmas themed recipe. This is just something quick and easy. um, if you are, because like me, this month, the month of December is crazy town for me and my family, and lots of stuff going on. So this is a meal that you can prep in the crock pot, quick and easy. My best friend Shelly showed me how to make this, and it's just you dump everything in the crock pot and cook it. That's it. So what it is it's you take chicken breast, take about, depends on how many in your family. If there's only 2 of you, you can put about 3 chicken breasts in. If you're the boneless, skinless chicken breast, if you're feeding a family of 5 or 6, you might want to double that, do 6 chicken breasts. But you put your chicken breast in the crock pot, and then you get 2 cans of green beans, 2 cans of potatoes. You can get sliced or the little small round ones, whichever you want to use. You drain the juice off of those canned vegetables and dump those vegetables in on top of the chicken. And then you get you a 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Excuse me, so sorry. And you put that on the top. You don't stir anything up, you just layer it. Chicken, your green beans and potatoes, and then your mushroom soup and cream of chicken soup. Put that in the crock pot and turn it on low and let it cook all day. You want it to cook for at least 6 to 7 hours. Okay. When that time is up, when it's cooked for the 7 hours, then you go in with a fork or something and you shred up that chicken and stir everything together, and you have a quick and easy chicken dinner. It has the meat and all the vegetables in it, and it is so good. I usually will put some biscuits in the oven and have a biscuit with it. Um, or you could have garlic bread with it, whatever you want with it. But that is just a quick and easy, dump everything in the crock pot, turn it on in the morning, and by dinner time, you have a meal. So for this busy time, you need them. And I think that's what I'm going to do uh, for Thursday and Friday's video. I'll give you some real quick crock pot recipes because this is the busiest time of the year and it's insane. Oh, also, you might want to put a little salt and pepper to taste in that too. I forgot to say that. So that's my video today for the 12 days of Christmas. And I hope that you will go check out Auna and check out her channel, because I'm telling you, you'll love it. And I will see you later this afternoon for my sneak peek for Battle of the Stitches. Talk to you guys later. Hope you have an awesome Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.